Hello everyone. After so many days, I'm shooting this video, and as you can see, I'm not at all ready for this video. So right now, time is Saturday. No, in fact, Sunday started. Sunday 1 o'clock. Just I was in some mental space. I thought to share few things, so not to wait. That's why I'm shooting this video. And there is a reason that I couldn't upload any video because I feel that when you are not in a good, happy, healthy mental space, you cannot be really creative or productive. And that was the same situation with me. I was tackling a few issues that was personally, and even health was not good, or career wise also few things were there. So uh, I was not really in a good space, and all these things, it reaches to the highest level of frustration, and result, you can see my dark circles. So yeah, I I lost my peace, sleep, everything. And but I thought that how many days things will go in the same manner. And so finally, in fact, I was waiting to get it solved, and I don't know for whom I was waiting, for whom to get solve these issues. Finally the answer was no, only you yourself have to solve those things. And so I made the list of priorities, which is required my attention. Maybe that this month, or in another 2 months, it's required my attention. So that list was made, and plus the proper plan was there. uh, I'm, as you can say, I'm very old fashioned person, or old person, that I really cannot work with the calendar in laptop or mobile, for that matter. I need my own handwritten calendar, where I can strike out the things, I can write the things, I can that sort of things. I was in need, and I made the list, everything. In fact, I strike down few people who are disturbing my mental peace, and giving lot of negativity. Plus I added few people, like I who I was not much talking terms. And so I thought that for my career growth, or my personal space, which is required for that, these people will be supporting to me, or helping me. So I started talking to those people. And so many changes are done. I made one plan, like it's not like before I was not trying, I was trying, but there was no aim, there was no deadline. So I don't know how you guys work, but for me, if there is a deadline, I'll work my dash off. So I'll work like anything to achieve that deadline. So I waited till May end, and after that nothing is getting solved, and things are going more, it was just increasing my frustration level and everything. So I took a charge that, okay, this is what need my attention, this is my priority as of now. So answer was like, okay, career needs my priority. Career is my priority, and it need my attention. So ASAP attention. So I started working on that. As I said, I created one calendar. I note down each day things I want to study, and then what and all things I need to search, how I need to study, how the you know uh, what are the things I need to do, basically. That's in short I can say. So finally I can say that that issue is not completely solved, but it's on the way. So it may get solved in another 2 months, where by one side I'll be in a good phase. So there are two type of things, where some personal things are there which is really out of your control, and you cannot really do anything until things come in your control. But whereas career, it's in your control. You give your full attention to that, work towards it, plan the things, give priority. And I feel more practical approach give practical approach. And so if you are giving everything and hard work, I think you can start seeing the change. And so main what good thing in this is, if you have so many things, you cannot really, you are juggling through so many things and you cannot really get anything hold on. So it's better that give attention to what is required attention. So for me it was a career. So as per that, we have to figure out things. And so this video is just random, just to share that okay, we all are going through same phases. Maybe it's not the only me, maybe other people are too, but the only thing which can help is that not to handle so many things at a time. Just point out the priorities. And I don't know how you deal with, but I, as you can see here, big note I am having. And I'll be making note of everything. I'll be studying in that. Then personal notes will be in that. Which are the people I want to contact, which are the people are disturbing my mindset, so I want to strike them out. So many things will be in that. I'll be writing down and I'll be working towards that. Then all the timelines, everything, it will be written. So it's just that as per your comfort, as per your convenience, plan things and start working out. And whichever is out of your control, just press a pause button for them and work other things. So that's the only thing I wanted to share. And I am seeing the change. It's I am the most dumb person, where I was handling so many things, getting frustration level, and really my health spoiled a lot. But and now I'm really seeing the differences after doing all this thing, that if one things get settled down, really you will be in a good space where you can concentrate on other things. So yeah, that's it. So it's a, I thought to shoot only 5 minutes video, but it's almost 7.5. So that's it. Then we hope, no, I hope that I'll keep shooting videos and I'll keep uploading them. So this video I'm not going to edit anything. It's now more than almost 1:30 Saturday. I'm just going to upload it. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.